So the question is, the compound A on treatment with Na gives B, and with PCl5 gives C. B and C react together to give diethyl ether. A and B and C are in order. So these are the options. So it is mentioned in the question that B and C will react together to give diethyl ether. So we can see the options. So we can see as there is not identity. It cannot, if these two compounds are reacted together, they will not form diethyl ether. And this compound will form the ether. If we'll check this if they are combined, they will also not form diethyl ether. And this can also form diethyl ether. So there are two options which can form diethyl ether when combined. So the answer will be in between these two. So let's first check if they form diethyl ether or not. So we will react this C2H5 ONA plus C2H5 Cl. It will form C2H5O C2H5 plus NaCl. So we have confirmed that it will form diethyl ether. So B and C are this C2H5ONA and C2H5Cl. Next, it is given that A on reaction with Na in the presence of Na will give B. So we know that B is C2H5ONA, as it can't give C2H5Cl on reaction with Na, so automatically it is Na. And this on reaction with PCl5, it will give C2H5Cl as we have calculated. So the A option would be C2H5OH. At it will form a sodium ethoxide with on reaction with Na, and we want that. So C2H5OH plus Na will form C2H5ONA, and this on further reaction it will form C2H5ONA plus PCl5. It will form C2H5Cl plus HCl plus PuCl3. So this option 2 is the answer.